Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some floating hearts. And these are the supplies I'm using. Back by popular demand, this video will have no music. Everyone hated the music. So I'm going to start here by lining up my foam hearts, and I'm going to use a bamboo skewer that I've already kind of trimmed down, and I'm going to pre-poke some holes into the foam before I glue them in place. I bought these foam hearts from the Dollar Tree. I bought the roses from the Dollar Tree and the ribbon. I believe all of that came from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using this pink tubing for my bow. So I added some glue to one side of the bamboo skewer, and I'm lining it up. I just want to make sure that my holes are placed perfectly so that they line up perfectly. And I'm going to put glue on all ends of the skewer and then I'm going to push the foam hearts together. So here I'm just lining it up and I'm going to push them together. And there is going to be a bit of a gap, so I use a little heart embellishment to glue on top of where you can see the bamboo skewers so you can't see them. Now I'm going to put the hearts to the side and let them dry, and I'm going to get started on my bow. I'm going to get my Easy Bow Maker out. I'm going to start with the pink ribbon that was purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make 8-inch tails. This is a 2.5-inch ribbon. I'm going to place the ribbon into the dowels, and then I'm going to make 2 loops on each side at 5 inches each. Next, I'm going in with the heart ribbon. I did purchase this from the Dollar Tree, and that is also a 2.5-inch ribbon. The last, or no, this is not the last ribbon. The next ribbon I'm going in with, I did purchase from Hobby Lobby. I did not get this from the Dollar Tree, but I'm also going to do 5-inch loops on each side with the purple ribbon. Okay, this last ribbon was purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's over in the wedding section. So I'm going in, I'm going to twist it as I'm going down, make my loop, and then put that down into the dowel, twist again, make a loop on the other side and bring it back through the dowel, twist again, and then trim off the ribbon. Now I'm going in with the pink tubing I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just doing, this tubing is kind of hard to work with. I just kind of made loops with it and put it in, and that's the last that goes into the bow. Now I'm going to take my zip tie, I'm going to go on one side of the bow, make sure I've captured all of the ribbon before I start the zip tie, and I'm only starting it. And I'm also going to use the zip tie to help me pull it out of the Easy Bow Maker. Now that I have it out, I'm going to take the zip tie to the back of the bow, and I'm going to put a pipe cleaner in there before I crank it all the way down. This way I have a way of attaching it to my project. Now I'm fluffing my bow. This is also called breaking the bow. Now I'm going to dovetail my tails. So I just fold the ribbon on its side, I fold it over, and then I cut it at a V, at a slant. Now I'm going to use my pipe cleaners on the bow to wrap it around the ribbon on that top foam heart. I'm going to twist tie that off and then kind of tuck it back in. I pulled out the ribbon from the bottom foam heart, and now I'm going to take these roses and kind of trim up the stems, and I'm going to use my glue gun to place them on the top of the hearts. The stem on the roses, it's very easy to place them into the foam. I didn't have any troubles at all. I just did want extra security, so I added some glue to the end of the stems. When I trimmed the bundle of roses that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, I did take the greenery and pushed it up to the rose. So I did 3 roses at the top of the bottom heart, and I'm going to do 3 roses at the top of the top heart. I really didn't like that you could see where I had zip tied, or not zip tied, but took the pipe cleaner and attached it to the ribbon. So I decided to make another bow, and I'm going to zip tie it in that section right there. This bow is going to be identical to the top bow. I'm going in here with a 2.5 inch from the Dollar Tree, the pink one, with an 8-inch tail and then 5-inch loops on each side. I really hope you try this project. This is a very easy and fun project to do, and affordable. Going in with the second Dollar Tree ribbon, and again, I'm going to do 5-inch loops on each side. I was just adding this up, and this was literally $10. If you already have the glue and you already have the pipe cleaners and the zip ties, it's literally $10. The purple ribbon I did purchase from the Hobby Lobby. However, I only buy the ribbons when they're half off. So that bolt of ribbon is $5.99, so I probably paid $3.50 for it. The purple ribbon and the silver ribbon are 1.5 inches, and I also did 5-inch loops with those on each side. Now I just kind of make a bow out of this tubing, and I'm going to place that down in there. Going in with a zip tie, I want to make sure that I capture all the ribbons. I go up underneath them and in the middle, and I'm going to start my zip tie, and I'm also going to use the zip tie to help me remove this from the Easy Bow Maker. Again, I just get it started, I get it out of the Easy Bow Maker, and I push the zip tie to the back. And now I'm going to add another zip tie, but this is a smaller zip tie. So now I'm going to get the Easy Bow Maker out of the way, and I'm going to fluff up my bow, also called breaking the bow, and I'm going to use the zip tie in the back to attach it to that halfway point in between that top heart and the first bow. I did not want to use another pipe cleaner. I'm just trimming up my tails here, making sure I trim every one of them up. So now I'm going to use that smaller zip tie and I'm just going to wrap it around where the ribbon and the pipe cleaner meet at the top and zip tie it off. PSA, this is a messy project because of the glitter on the foam hearts. Now I'm going to tidy up my workstation. I want to get rid of all the trash and try to get rid of as much glitter as I can. I'm just going to roll my ribbons back up and put them away. Save them for another project. I'm not too sure about this tubing. I'm not really a fan of the tubing, but I wanted to add extra texture to the bow. Y'all let me know, do you like this stuff or not? My little heart embellishments, I just put it in the bag for now, but I have a suggestion for those. Just get you a Ziploc bag and put them in there. Making sure my glue gun is turned off and everything's tidied up. Okay, folks, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.